grams Digestive biscuits. Grind well. 120 grams unsalted butter melted. Mix well. Refrigerate for 30 seconds. 2 cups milk. Bring it to boil. 1/2 cup condensed milk. Cook on medium flame 3 to 4 minutes. 1/2 cup milk and 2 tablespoons corn flour. Mix well. Add corn flour mixture and stir continuously. Cook on low to medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Rest for 1 hour. 1 cup hot water. 1 pack strawberry jelly. Mix well until it dissolves. 3/4 cup cold water. Mix well. Strawberries. Bananas. Apple. Strawberry jelly. Refrigerate for 1 hour.